because everything that they were doing was based on the idea that where they got that idea was from the Bibles, by the way, because they said we lived in the dome, because all of the creation stories of all the religions said that they unalived some big giant and that they used the skull of that giant to create the earth, and that you're living inside the head of this big giant who's not unalive, that's actually sleeping. And you can look that up. All of the creation stories, the Japanese, the creation story from the Vikings, the creation story from the Hebrews, all of that. The Mesopotamian scroll is they unalived Tiamat, but she's not unalive, she's sleeping, and they used her skull, and we're living inside of it. So the dome of the sky was the interior of the skull. So all of those stories were actually parables to try and get you to realize at some point that you're actually in the mind of the creator, not that you're living in the inside of a god. And that's where they got the dome, and they believed that the earth was flat because of that. Then even they stopped about 3,000 years ago and believed that the earth wasn't flat. And now it's coming up again where people think it's flat because they hear that whole idea, right? Yeah, globe or flat earth. No, the globe is comes from what I just talked about. I mean, or I should say the flat earth comes from what I was just talking about.